friends, now we go through physics chapter number 12. It is called electricity. The chapter is weightage of chapter is 6 marks. 1 plus 2 plus 3. In second question we have two options in the chapter, and full question of 3 marks will be asked in section C. 1 marks question in section A. 1 plus 2 plus 3. In electricity, first we study about electric charge. What is the electric charge? Electric charge is a fundamental and intrinsic property of a matter like a mass. There are two types of electric charge can be present. It is called positive electric charge and negative electric charge. Two types of electric charge can be present: positive electric charge and negative electric charge. We have two examples for the positive electric charge and negative electric charge. When we rub glass rod with the silk, it gets positive charge, and when we rub ebonite rod with the woolen cloth, here silk cloth, here woolen cloth, the negative charge can be occurred. So these two activities, we conclude that if body can lose the electron, it will be positive charge, and if the body can gain the electron, it will be the negative charge. There are two types of charge can be present. Proton have positive charge while electron have negative charge. In the matter, proton have positive charge and electron have negative charge. As we know, when opposite charge can combine together, it will be called attraction. And if negative charge can, here the correction will occur. If the positive charge combine with together, it will cause of repulsion, and if negative charge with connect with together, it will be called attraction. Here the 1 marks question is arise. The proton have positive charge, electron have negative charge. When proton and electron combine together, when what happen in proton combine together, electron combine together. When negative and positive force can combine together, it will be called attraction. negative and positive cause attraction. When positive combine, it will be called repel, and this one is also called repulsion. When proton combine, repulsion, electron combine together, it is called repulsion. But when proton and electron combine together, it is called attraction, and they make a compound as we study in chemistry. When Zn combine with H2SO4, the compound form is ZnSO4 plus H2, because Zn have positive charge to hydrogen 1, SO4 minus 2. So plus molecule can be combined with minus charge molecule and make a form. So plus molecule, plus charge can combine with negative charge, it will be cause of attraction. And opposite charge, here we write charge. When here we write again, when same charges can be combined together, it will be called repulsion, and when different charges will combine together, it is called attraction. Let's see with the example. When proton and electron combine together, it will be called repulsion. But when proton and electron combine together, it will be called attraction. So electric charge can be dependent on to gain electron and to lose electron in the body of molecule. Here we take SI unit of electric charge. SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. We called it Coulomb, and we represent it by capital C. In practically, the charge of proton and electron are same. In practically proved, the charge of electron and proton are same. It will be in 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. If electron can present, if electron can have charge, it is minus 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb, and proton have charge plus 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. But in calculation, when we take examples for electric charge, we cannot have the minus sign. We simply take 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. Let's go through another. It is called electric current. Net amount of electric charge that passes through any cross-sectional area of the conductor in the unit time, it is called electric current. Two types of current can be present: conventional current and electric current. Now first we study about what is the conventional current. when electron cannot be found out, the conventional current will be represented from positive charge to negative charge. But when electron can be found out, electron can be discovered, the charge of electrons will be represent to negative to positive. Here one thing notice is that the charge from positive to negative, it is called conventional current, electric flow, and when negative to positive, it will be called electric current. Here we see we take the cross section of wire and we give the naming A and B, but the flow of conventional current is A to B, positive to negative, and the current of electric current will be B to A. As per figure, the conventional current represented at A to B, while electric current represent from B to A. Now we take the formula for the current, find the formula of current. If the electric charge is represented by, if electric charge is in electric charge or net amount is capital Q, and the charge can be passed from in time small t. So the current will be, electric current will be represented by capital I. So the formula of electric current is I is equal to Q upon T, time small t and charge capital Q. So we can find the formula for I is equal to Q upon T. Q have the symbol capital C, small t have here, the I is represented by capital A, sign is capital A, the sign of capital Q is capital C, and small t have represented by small s, it is second. So here we take when 1 ampere when 1 coulomb electron charge can be passed from 1 second, the electric current will be represented as represented as 1 ampere. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. Here we write small s for second. Ampere can be presented in smaller unit also. The smaller units of amperes are microamperes and milliamperes. The symbol of milliampere and microampere. So 1 milliampere is equal to small m for milli, capital A for ampere. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, and 1 microampere is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. Both the formulas are imported in the calculation when we take the example for the amperes. Electric current in circuit can be measured by an instrument. It is called ammeter. And in ammeter, in circuit, we connect ammeter in series combination. Ammeter is always connected in circuit with series combination. The electric current can be measured by the instrument. It is called ammeter. If the n times of electrons can be passed in time t, the formula of electric current will be represented as we know I is equal to q upon t, but n type of electrons can be passed, so we take q is equal to ne. So here we write I is equal to ne upon t. Another formula for electric current, with the help of this type of formula we find the example. So when we find the number of electrons, we take the formula q is equal to ne. When we find the number of electrons, we use the formula of ne. Here we take in text question 1, write the formula of ammeter and give the equation for 1 ampere. If you have to write the short note on electric current, the question will also included in electric current. So you don't have to write again. You have to learn it by heart.